Hey everyone, what if I told you that you could earn real money just by playing games on Telegram? In today's video, I'll show you how you can make real money using a Telegram bot called MetaCoin. It's fun, simple, and yes, you can cash out. The bot link is in the description. Let's get started. First, open Telegram and search for MetaCoin bot, or tap T link below. Hit the start button. You'll see the main menu with several options: games, balance, activity, referral, free daily reward, and rules. Don't forget your daily bonus at the first. Just tap once a day and get free TRX. To play games and earn, you need to deposit some TRX. Tap on Balance Deposit. The bot gives you a unique TRX address. Send at least 40 TRX, that's the minimum required, using your Tron wallet like Trust Wallet or Tron Link. Wait a few minutes and your balance will appear. To withdraw, just enter your wallet address and the amount. It's super simple. Now let's explore the fun part, the games section. Here's what you can play to win TRX. 1. Minirob Mine. Virtual blocks and look for gold. The more gold you find, the more you earn. Two, King Tower. Choose the right block to move higher up the tower. With each correct choice, your profit multiplies. Three, Target. Hit the bullseye and get rewarded. A game of accuracy and quick wins. Four, Rock, Paper, Scissors. Play against the bot. Beat it in a match of luck and get TRX. 5. Heads or tails. Classic coin flip. Choose heads or tails. Get it right. Double your TRX instantly. 6. Number rush. Guess the right number in a range. The closer your guess, the better the reward. Go to invite friends to get your referral link. Share it with your friends. When they deposit, you earn a percentage of what they play. This means passive income without even playing. Also, if you create a promo video about the bot and send it to their support, you can get up to 2,000 TRX as a reward. That's a big bonus. Just make sure your video is clear and honest. Don't forget daily reward. So that's a complete guide to Metacoin Telegram bot, a fun way to earn TRX with games, referrals, and bonuses. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto hacks. Thanks for watching, and good luck earning.